What's up, everybody? Welcome to Brick House Garage. So today we're going to do a little comparison shopping. Okay, so I bought this Hero 3 GoPro on Marketplace for about 40 bucks. I got two of them. This had a shattered lens, which cost me $9 to fix. And then we got this guy. This is the 4K Ultra HD. Yeah, you can see these knockoff brand ones pretty much everywhere, ranging from $20 to about 50 bucks. So we're going to do a side-by-side comparison and see which is the better bang for your buck. A used Hero 3 Plus or a brand new knockoff brand 4K Ultra. Not that I think it's going to matter, but we're going to run these SanDisk Ultra 64 gig cards. These are brand new, still in the packaging, just to make sure there's no differences. Not like one's an older card, one's a newer card. They're brand new. We're going to load them both up, and I'm going to give you a side-by-side comparison. I'll take a shot of the mounts. It doesn't really matter what they're mounted on, but they're right next to each other, same distance away, and you can just see the difference. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so here's a shot of the mounts of just how I got them mounted, as far how far they are away. Here's a little shot of it. So we're about 3 feet from the subject area. All right, so I got the camera set up. There's a picture of them. They're the same distance away, about 3 feet. And on the left, we're gonna have the Hero 3, and on the right is the 4K. So right away, off the bat, here's the audio from the Hero 3. And now here's the audio from the 4K. I also drilled out the mount faceplate on the 4K. I thought maybe that's what was messing up the video, making it grainy or something like that. It doesn't fit in standard GoPro mounts. It also doesn't take a regular Hero 3 or a 4 battery. So, you know, when you're going to replace stuff, just from wear and tear, it's going to be a lot harder to get parts for the 4K. Whereas the Hero 3, I mean, I got the lens. I bought that broken, like I said, and I got the lens for 10 bucks. And the only issue with the aftermarket lens was it didn't have a slot for the focus snap ring, but I screwed it in and just used a shot right next to the other Hero 3 that I have and kind of manually focused it with my hands. But back for your buck, like I said, 40 bucks, $30. I bought the 4K off of Marketplace for 20 bucks. Obviously somebody wasn't happy with it. I figured I'd give it a shot. I'm also going to do some shots of just taking a picture of this table right here. So this will be in the center of the frame. I'm going to take a picture with the max megapixels on the 4K and take a picture on the Hero 3 so you can compare those as well. So if you guys tried any other ones, or you think I need to check out another camera, some aftermarket one you think compares to the GoPros, go ahead and put it down in the comments, and I'll take a look at it. So if you haven't been here before, like, subscribe, and appreciate all your help. And we'll see you next time here at Brick House Garage.